No hate to this commenter, I just want to use this as a learning opportunity because a lot of people are commenting things like this on various videos. This has been an ongoing theme, and it kind of boils down to two things. One, an unfamiliarity with the scientific process, and two, a little bit of intellectual laziness. When I'm showing a paper, I'm showing just what that paper tells us, and then we can apply it to everything else we've learned. So for instance, the paper that I talked about here that the comment links to is looking at Listerine, povidone iodine, and two other mouthwashes. And the comment reads, so cetylpyridinium chloride does nothing, which is not the case at all because the paper didn't look at any mouthwash with CPC. That was outside of the scope of the paper, meaning that no conclusions can be drawn about CPC mouthwash because it didn't study that. So it's really unhelpful when people are commenting things like that, or commenting things like, well, what about this? What about that? Instead of sitting and absorbing the information, being like, okay, now I know this. And this is how it applies to everything I've learned so far. And if you have further interest and want to jump ahead of the lectures, because these are basically mini lecture series, then you can go to Google Scholar. I have a playlist on YouTube about how to find papers that you're interested in finding, and you can specifically look that up. But ultimately what it boils down to is that each paper is like a little focus microcosm, telling us specific information about specific things.